Alright guys, so last week someone commented on this YouTube channel asking me that, hey bro, FlexJob keeps showing me advert anytime I'm watching your video, and is FlexJob actually real, or it is just another platform trying to collect my card details and bounce? Okay, and I get it. We all have all these job sites, and some of them are actually full of fake job listings that don't really turn into real job that pays you, and some of them are subscriptions that get you to spend your money. So I did the digging for you, especially for those of us in countries like Nigeria or generally outside the US and UK. What I found might actually surprise you, but there is one thing about FlexJob they won't tell you in those advertisements that you watch, and that is what actually changes everything. Remember, I made a video on this channel about job posting on LinkedIn, on multiple platforms. There are fake jobs on Upwork, fake job everywhere. So like, one of the dominating factors for FlexJob, differentiating factors, is that they verify every job that is posted. But most jobs on FlexJob are US only. Some are actually locked to UK and Canada, and that is because of tax law and time zone issues. Some employers actually want you to be active in their time zone, which I've spoken about. You having to be up at night, maybe at particular periods for some jobs and all that, is where most Nigerians actually bounce off. But what many people don't know is that FlexJob actually has a session for international remote jobs. That is for employers, for clients that are willing to hire you irrespective of your country, whether Kenya, whether India, whether Pakistan, whether Philippines, anywhere in the world. And you will find customer service, content writing, tech support, and admin roles. Companies that actually need 24/7 support or work with global teams are more open to hiring internationally. So you might look out for those kind of countries even outside of FlexJob. So would you rather apply to 100 jobs that ghost you, or 20 real ones that actually hire? If this video is helping you understand this FlexJob site, like this video. Nigerians that have in-demand skills like digital marketing, development, virtual assistance, graphic designing skills, tech writing skills, research writing skills, people who build sharp profiles and apply smart. You understand, like, most of the things I teach on this channel about how to build your profile on Upwork, how to apply to jobs on Upwork, how to relate with clients on Upwork, also applies to every other platform that helps you get projects globally. People who actually wins are people who don't treat job or project hunting as though it is some gamble. Treat it like it is business. So you don't want to gamble and just maybe be spamming your proposal to jobs that you are not even sure you will get any feedback. FlexJob as a site won't make you more qualified than you actually are. So it's not like a site that once you get there, you hit a button, you will get a job. No. You still need to show up strong. You still need to bid the same way you do for every other platform. You would still get some rejections. You need to still build a solid CV. The platform can verify jobs, but you still have to sell yourself. So my advice is this: use the trial to test out the platform, set up your account, and then search, apply to some jobs. See if it actually feels cool for what you need. It's not for everybody. That's one thing I have noticed. It's not for every country too. And that's why you would observe that in this video, I'm speaking somehow specifically to people that are not in the US, not in the UK, almost like I'm speaking to just Nigerians and people in maybe like other similar countries and similar economy to Nigeria. So the next time you see a FlexJob advert, you actually understand what they are about. They offer a 4,500 Naira trial for 14 days. That is me converting dollar to Naira. After that, it is about 38,000 Naira monthly, or 7,500 Naira if you pay yearly. That will be it from me for now. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.